Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bago ka lang sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. For today's video, it's our second day here at the Cabin Resorts and the closed door interview activity for our misters. Let's go! Tara, punta na tayo sa venue ng closed door interview, which is the cabin of our co-presenter from Massage Lux Spa. Let's go! So, pagdating namin, start na agad. And ang unang interviewin is si Mr. sa Pilipinas, Pampanga. Yes, sir. Rodriguez.
James Richard mo.
Usually I was trained
Los Baños.
all tools you prepared. And of course have a heart to my country and my fellow also a working student for more than 6 years during that time as a waiter. And every time
Mr. Masinloc.
every time gusto ko na meron po kami in my hometown kasi meron po kami I used to go out with my pet. Ngayon ako may
Pilipinas, Nueva Ecija, Province.
Years, 28 years old, a double degree holder from BS
Sorry, 20 or 28?
28. A double degree holder from BS Marine for
San Fernando, La Union.
San Fernando. Hindi sir. Okay lang sir.
My name is John Lloyd Bordale. You can call me Dwight because I love white.
At nagpakita ng gigas pa nga siya sa kanyang dance talent. Kaya Tarlac Province.
Busy na naman natapos mamaya.
Hello, good afternoon, this is Steve Panel Judges. I'm Jacob Pierre Gomez. I'm 19 years old and I'm a Have a seat, please.
Kaya Pierre Cabiao.
So, na shoes mo. Kailangan mo yan. Interesting about.
Something po na interesting about me is that since I was young, I was very interested.
Mr. Palawan here.
Hindi ka pa nagbebenta o manager?
Nilala ko. Parang ko sa kanila kasi nakailang sales na ako sa mga isang exhibition like sales executive ako nakabenta ako sa
Mr. Imus Cavite.
I-text mo ako maganda na kayo.
Bakit po? Kasi I have the confidence na hindi po lahat ng nandito meron po.
Nahuli ka na doon.
Nahuli.
Hindi kasi hindi naman maganda kasi
Mr. Cebu Province.
So Cebu province.
Yes po.
Okay.
Bakit kailangan ikaw ang malalang this
Of note lang po, I do believe na I hold professionalism.
talaga pong
Kaya Mr. sa Pilipinas Laguna.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, go. This is your
Mr.
second time.
Cagayan.
Bakit kailangan ikaw yung malalas with
I'll state the same reasons because I will be one of the winners or one of the runners Mr. Sufing.
Denmark. Kaya Mr. Palayan City, Nueva Ecija.
So, really big privilege. Masala po.
Bulacan.
Mamay pink for orange. Lagi ka na pong pupunan. Hindi ko sabihin na sapat, ngunit lagi po akong tumitingin sa So, day 27.
Yung message niya kasi
Kaya Mr. sa Pilipinas Bataan.
Pakilala mo si Bataan. Ano si Bataan? Ano meron?
Hello, Rizal Filipinas representing Bataan Province. So,
I consider myself since sinamahan ng ulan, changing weather.
Mr. sa Pilipinas, Davao City.
Huwag na lang buhay ah. Ano lang ah.
Hi, Jan.
Wala time.
Life story.
Nag-enjoy po ako sa mga new learnings ko ngayon kasi ako yung classic tao na fan of from
Mr. sa Pilipinas, Rizal Province.
actually kasi pagod ka gabi tapos ganda gabi ng yung 26 nag-represent ng City of Rizal. I'm a person who
Mr. sa Pilipinas, City of Binyan. Mr. sa Pilipinas, Cavite.
Good evening po.
Sino pa si Cavite? Sino si Cavite?
First Cavite, Mr. sa Pilipinas Cavite. And
Si Cavite naman may pasample ng ito niya kung palari manalo ng Man of the World, Philippines. Mr. sa Pilipinas, Zambales.
okay, have a seat please.
That's what's na
Yeah.
Bakit ka namin kailangan piliin this coming October 22 as Mr. sa Pilipinas King?
I think I deserve to win this crown because I give my full heart to this journey.
Mr. sa Pilipinas,
Kumusta yung journey mo sa Mr. sa Pilipinas?
Hindi po perfect, pero
Bakit sa tingin mo?
I clearly understand naman po, my sir.
Bakit lagi sa tingin mo?
Mr. sa Pilipinas, Lipa City, Batangas.
My name is Mark Alasigan and I'm 23 years old and I also do Pasig.
Mr. sa Pilipinas, Pangasinan.
Good evening everyone. My name is Science in Accounting Technology. And I also have my double degree in BS Accountancy and
Mr. sa Pilipinas, Quezon City.
Picture 1, 2, smile. Sige, have a seat please.
Ayun nga si Mr. sa Pilipinas, Quezon City ang last na interview. And after that, nag-dinner na rin dito sa restaurant ng The Cabin Resorts. At dito ko na rin tatapusin ang ating video. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too.